Hello again, it's Jock here again in Scotland, and I'm quite sure it's getting near the time for all the lads and lassies that's all over the world, and to all the soldiers that's in Afghanistan and all these other far away places. And a lot of them Black Watch boys and all the rest of them all come from Dundee and such places, and I'm quite sure they'll be thinking of this old song. Cold winter was howling o'er moor and o'er mountain, and wild was the surge o' the dark rollin sea. When I met aboot daybreak a bonny young lassie, who asked me the road and the miles to Dundee. I said, my young lassie, I canna well tell ye the road and the distance I canna well gie. But if you'll permit me to gang a wee bittie, I'll show you the road and the miles to Dundee. At once she consented and gave me her hearing. Near a word did I speir what the lassie might be. She appeared like an angel in feature and form, as she walked by my side on the road to Dundee. At length, with the howe of Strathmartine behind us, the spires of the toon in full view we could see, she said, gentle sir, I canna forget ye, for shown me so far on the road to Dundee. And there's quite a few other verses to go with that day, and I'm quite sure you can remember them. And when I'm writing down in the description the words for you to learn, I'm quite sure the rest of the words will come back to me. So, I hope you're all safe, all you soldier lads, wherever you may be. And just think that everybody back home in Scotland is rooting and tooting for you. And your mothers are all safe, and so is your fathers. And they're all very proud of you, wherever you may be. So take care of yourselves. You're always in your prayers. This is Jocks saying toodaloo.